Only 32% of businesses blog enough to rank, and that means they are leaving a lot of leads and traffic on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you how Stravix changes that. Okay, let's get started. We will set up a project, run a full SEO test, some topic ideas, and generate some blog posts, all in about 10 minutes. First, let's set up a project. I will name this one something like English plus Germany. Then I will choose if I'm a service or product-based business. Then I will pick my target language and target location. That's huge if you're running in multiple regions or markets. Once I click create project, Stravix will run over 30 different checks. I have one ready for you here. It would take somewhere around 4 or 5 minutes. So here is the full audit log screen. You can see every check we run, things like title, meta description, indexing issues, or any internal links. This is not hidden. We will share a full log so you can see what's working or what's broken. At the same time, Stravix gives me my first content topics. As you can see, it's matched to target location and target language that I picked. This one is English and United States. If I want more, I can ask for more topics, and it's going to generate for me. And for every topic that is being generated, I can ask for subtopics, or even I can ask for each subtopic. I can ask for focus topics to go a level deeper. So every blog I publish, it ties back into the clear topic structure. No randomness, no guesswork. Now let's generate a blog. I will pick any subtopic, or let's see. This is a focus topic. I can click generate. If I want blog images, I can tick the box and ask for generate content. It would add 2 to 3 minutes to generate post, but still it's going to happen in like 5-6 minutes. I will have a complete blog with images ready to publish. We already generated. Let's see. Here is where Stravix is different. Before drafting begins, our research agent would go out and scan the web. They don't just grab keywords. They read competitors' posts. As you can see, they analyze what's already been ranked, and they find gaps, what's missing, and what ties back to what people are already searching for. We show you the receipt. Every source, every competitor check, every keyword log, it's all here. So you can see for yourself, this is based on research, not some random AI output. So here is the draft with inline blog images included. Yeah, this one, and yeah, it has 3. Now let's put all this in perspective. The old way, you would hire an agency or writer, and they would charge you like 30, 40, 50, sometimes even more for just one blog post, and it would take hours to 2 days to send you the draft. But with Stravix, each blog costs under $1 plus images. It would be ready in 5 or 6 minutes with unique images, as you can see in this very example, and you can generate dozens, even hundreds like this every month. That's why we built Stravix. Here is the big picture. Google doesn't reward cleverness. It would reward showing up. With a system like we do, you can generate a lot more. So here's what you can do next. We have a 7-day free trial. You can get it just from a simple sign up, no credit card. And you will have your first blog post live in somewhere around 10 minutes. The link is already in the caption, or you can comment SEO and I will send you the link. Let's get started. Keep creating.